What's up, guys? So I've been skating for a long time. I've got a lot of shoes that are so worn out that I just can't skate them anymore. I'm not much of a handboarder, but I'm going to try a few tricks here. What's up, guys? In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the hole in the sole of your shoe, and I'm going to show you some shoes that I have for sale on eBay. I filmed this video yesterday and I tried to edit it and it was just so boring. I couldn't sit through it to edit it, so I'm making it shorter. Have you ever heard of DKL grip tape? It's the non-abrasive grip tape. It's the stuff that doesn't tear up your shoes. Well, if you use that, cut little circles out, stick them under the insole, then they act as another layer to wear through. Or you could actually stick them on the insole if the hole is bigger, and if they're stuck on the insole, then it actually gives you a little bit of traction. It really acts as an extra sole to the shoe. So you pull the insole out, put it either on the insole or on the inside of the shoe, put the insole back in, and you can skate it again. It doesn't wear through your socks or your insoles, because insoles are expensive. I've got this giant lens over here because I just made a video on my camera channel about this lens. It's an old film lens. It is 25 millimeters to 100 millimeters, all at f1.8, so you can get some really blurry backgrounds with that. On a ramp, this would be, that would be a fun trick. This is just the start. So over here, we've got some really old Converse skate shoes. Got a hole in it. This is the main problem I have with shoes. Before I even wear the side out, I wear a hole right here in the ball of the foot. The other side, we've got a hole in it too. We've got some old Nike SBs. These, they've got some life left in them. They've just got a lot of wear right here on the side. The back's kind of coming off a little bit too. These I'm still going to skate. These DC Mike Moe or Chris Cole, I think. We've got some Supras with a giant hole. Definitely going to sell those. These Skytops are a great shoe though. I've had about 10 pairs of these and I love them. You got a hole in the toe on this one. I've got a lot of shoes with just the left side because the right side got so destroyed. I guess I threw it away. So I'm going to be listing these shoes on eBay. We've got the laceless, insoleless. I think all of these are insoleless. Supra high tops with a little bit of a hole. That is the left side. We got another left side, a little bit of hole, no insole, but got laces on this one. We've got the Globes, not really a hole yet. This was a good shoe. This was a David Gonzalez, I think, shoe. Got another Supra Skytop Vader, I think, maybe. A little bit of a hole crack there. That's an 11. These are 11s, 11s. So those are all 11. Let's see what we've got here. This David Gonzalez. I have no idea. This is a 10.5. So those are all 11s. That's 10.5. All right, this is still left side hole. Probably an 11. Let's see. Could be a 10.5. 10.5. Those Supras run kind of big too. All right, so we got Vans. This one is actually the right side. That's a 10 with a hole in the toe. Then we've got a 10 with a giant hole. And then the other side's okay, but it's got some shoe goo and some wear. Okay. No insoles are coming with any of these. I might do a whole lot of just insoles. Then we've got the Chuck Taylors. Well, not Chuck Taylors, but the Converse red. These are 10.5, but they run big. This shoe runs as big as Chuck Taylors do. And we've got a hole on both sides of those. I do have a lot of old insoles, but I'd like to do a lot of just insoles sometime. I'm not sure if anybody's interested in that, but if you are, let me know in the comment section.